Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, we will wait 1 or 2 minutes more and then we'll start our today's class.
Ma'am, may I go to tuition?
Yes, please go and come fast.
Ma'am, I have to write this from a network issue. I just joined now.
No. There are 34. Let me wait 1 or 2 minutes, then I'll start the class.
Ma'am,
Page
can you
number.
see me properly?
Page number 155. Catherine, ma'am, my board is visible clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, you please pin on my screen and then you will able to see it properly.
Yeah, pin, ma'am. I can see it properly if I pin you.
Ma'am, can you see me properly?
Twisha, I
Chil-
know. No, you
No,
are
ma'am.
vertical.
I'm tilted.
Yeah, tilted. Children, you all know that 2 days before I have given you one worksheet on Friday, and I have noted many of you face the difficulty of counting the boundaries. Yes, I have given you a worksheet. Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Catherine, ma'am, can you please mute your mic? Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So yes, on Friday I have sent one worksheet. Wait, I will present that worksheet and I will show you what I am discussing about today's that work. And we are going to revise that. We are going to understand that topic again. Just a minute. I will present you about which worksheet I am talking. And please try to understand it because I have noted many of you have done that worksheet wrong. Can you all able to see this? Catherine ma'am, is this visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Okay.
visible.
This was our Friday's worksheet which I have sent you, but I have noted many of you have done this wrong. What mistake you children were doing, I am going to explain you that. And that is this worksheet is also related with our today's topic, which is does changing in shape also make a difference in the length of their boundaries? Means, for example, your shape is like this. I'm going to draw the first shape on the board. This shape is like this, and I have told you to found the perimeter of this, and it is hint is given that this one square is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter from all the sides. Clear? So when I will count the perimeter, I can start from any of the side. If you take first point this line, so you start from here. So this is your 1 centimeter. This is your starting point, 1 centimeter. Then this length is 1 centimeter because we are counting the perimeter. We are finding the perimeter. Perimeter is the boundary, the total of the boundary. Some of the children have counted these blocks. 1, 2, 3. No, this is the area which will be our next topic. Am I clear with you all till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
look here. No,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
44. Man Rajodia, no 44. Please.
Ma'am, 16. 16
Please listen. Let me explain this. So this is 1 centimeter. From here to here, this length is 1 centimeter because they are squares. And
Ma'am,
square.
32 centimeter.
No, this is wrong. That's why I'm trying to explain you. Please listen it here. In square, all the sides are same. So we started counting from this side 1 centimeter till here. Then next square has started. So this is 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter. Then we go this length now. 1 centimeter is this length. 1 is this because they are squares. Then come to this 1 centimeter. Then this is going up 1 centimeter. Then again 1 this much. This from here to here 1 centimeter. Then again it is from here to here 1 boundary is 1 more, that is 1 centimeter.
Cannot share cursor.
I'm not showing the cursor. Can you pin me? Can you please pin me on my board screen? I will stop my recording, presenting screen so that you will able to see my board screen properly. Pin on my board screen now. I have drawn a diagram which was your first diagram in your sheet. Right now I have taken this point. I have started counting from here. You can start counting from anywhere. But try to come back again on the same point after counting all the boundaries. Dhyan Dalal, please pay attention here. Stop eating. Twice you have submitted the worksheet, but both the times it was wrong. So please pay attention here now. From this starting point till here, the first square, this is 1 centimeter. Then again 1 centimeter. Then again 1 centimeter. How many centimeters in total this length?
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter. Then now count this side. How many is the total centimeter? 2 centimeter. There is only one line, 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1. Total is how much? 2.
2.
And this is 1 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
Then again come on this line, 1 centimeter. How many on this can you, without putting 1 centimeter, can you set this side will be how much? 3 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Write the answer in the chat box. Mute your mics, please. Dhruv, you also please pay attention here. Your also worksheet was wrong. So please pay attention here, children. So this total length was 3 centimeter. Now this side is remaining 1 centimeter. Then this is remaining 1 centimeter. Have you noticed that I have started from here counting all the sides? I have again come back to here, reach here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will count how much is the total. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5. Then this one is 6. This one is 7. This one is 8 and 9. 2 centimeter was there. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then come back here 16. So what is the perimeter of this?
16 centimeter.
16 centimeter. Those who are writing 12 centimeter, 44, 40. Please pay attention here. 16 centimeter. Vedi, you have done it. You have wrote anything. So please check your answer. Are you all clear now? Those who are not clear, you have to count the boundaries. जैसे जैसे turn हो रहा है, वैसे वैसे उसकी वो length भी होगी. You children, most of you have counted these internal boxes, which will be the
Excuse
area.
me, ma'am. I want doubt.
Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, if it is 6, so we first it is 3 on down, then 2. So then up. We have to count at 1 also and then upon.
My dear, you don't write together. You please count single, then it will be good for you. Okay? Count the single square length. Prisha, you are not audible to me.
Yes.
So please
ma'am.
count the single square
Ma'am,
length and
I
then.
was telling
12 centimeter.
No, there, just now I have done it is 16. You please count the outer borders and do not leave any turn. See, if it is turning like this, turning here, this
Ma'am?
is also 1 centimeter. Prisha, stop presenting.
man, see, I was telling this. See, can you see this, my cursor? So we have to count this and this also again.
Yes, you have to count this and this and
One,
this also again.
4 and 5.
Yes, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Okay, now
15,
I
16.
understood.
Understood
Okay,
now?
I also
Yeah.
understood.
Ma'am, a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in this we have to not to count the under parts.
No, internal parts nahi count karne. That will be the area. Only the boundaries you have to count.
No, ma'am, I'm not asking that. See
Then,
this. Can you see?
are you presenting me something?
Yeah, ma'am, see this.
So wait, I will stop presenting and then, yeah, Samriddhi, start showing me. Start.
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am. So we have to not. We
Do
have
it.
not to count this all.
No. No internal squares. You just have to count the outside sides.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I told many of the students, I told them to send me this worksheet back. Resend it. Stop presenting, Samriddhi. Now I am going to present and do the second sum.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it okay? Yesterday I have drawn the. I've drawn the. I've drawn.
Lama, you are not
And
clear.
can you tell the first
Ma'am, I was
answer? I
telling-
cannot hear that.
Ma'am, I was
I
telling that,
cannot hear the
ma'am.
first answer. Can you
The
repeat?
first answer is 16.
Wait. I will explain the second one, then you will again try to understand what I am trying
Can
to
I say
explain.
something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Lamaha and Dhairya. Wait. I will explain you now the second sum. Can you all able to see my presenting screen?
Ma'am, 18 centimeter.
Where I'm not asking answer, Vihan. First, let me draw this.
Ma'am, I'm asking the first answer. I didn't heard. 16
Dhairya, listen me. Dhairya, listen. Children, wait. Mute your mics, please. Samriddhi, mute your mic. Dhairya, mute your mic, please, for a minute. Now listen to me, Dhairya, carefully. Dhairya, you were asking about me the first sum, right? Now, if I will explain you, the concept will be same in the third sum. Once you will be clear with the second sum or the third sum, you will able to do the first sum by your own. Am I clear now, Dhairya?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, the worksheet you had sent.
Riddhi, you were there in the beginning when I was explaining the sum?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, the sum you are explaining. So, in that, like, if we count the border squares,
Yes. Border length.
so like in the worksheet, there is a dark border. So, if we count the border squares, it is all squares will be done. But if we see the border, which we have.
Riddhi, I will explain the second sum. Do try to understand it, okay? Now
Okay.
listen here. Again, I'm showing you the second sum. First, let me draw the figure and then I will stop presenting it. Clear, children? This is the figure. Second figure is this one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I can start it from, please listen here carefully. I can start pin on my board screen. You are not required to pin anything. You are required to pin my board screen. Right? Now listen, you can start from any of the side, either from here, either here, any of the side you can start. If suppose I am starting from here, this is my starting point. So from here to here, this is the 1 centimeter length of this first square. Next square, 4 centimeter length. Then again, next square, 4 centimeter, 1 centimeter length. Go to this side now. There are 2 squares. So I will take only this border, this border. So this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. Children, why I am taking 1 centimeter? Because it is given in your worksheet that all the sides of the square is 1 centimeter. So if I am taking only one side here, because the other side of this square is internal side, the other side of this square is internal side. Right? अगर आप इस square को देखते हो, तो only one side is outer, the other 2 sides are inner side, so हमें नहीं लेनी है. And this is the outer side, which we will come back and count this side also. So start from here. This is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Come on the next side. 1 centimeter is this length, 1 is this length, 1 is this length. Come on the upper side now. This is 1 centimeter length. This is 1 centimeter length. This is 1 centimeter length. Till now, here everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then come on the next 1 centimeter. This is length. 1 centimeter. This is length. This is also 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. Come down. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. And this is 1 centimeter. Come down on this 1 centimeter. I hope I have covered all the borders. Now I will count how much is the total 1 centimeter, right? Including all these sides. What is the perimeter? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 centimeter is your perimeter. Am I clear now? Am I clear now, children?
Yes,
or no? Will you
Yes,
able to do the worksheet now after understanding it this way? You are not required to count these boxes. You are not required to count these internal sides, because this is the area which is your next topic. We right now learning about the perimeter, which is the outside boundary. Am I clear with you all? So you only are required to count the outside box length only for the perimeter. Clear? And find the perimeter this way. Those who have done in the wrong way, they please do this worksheet again and resend it to me. Yes, Samriddhi.
Yeah, ma'am, in this we have to count this also. You can see this.
Samriddhi, you do this worksheet and send it to me. If I'll find any mistake, I will send it to you.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Dharya, you facing some network issues?
No, ma'am, but I could not hear the last part you were explaining.
I have explained them to count the outer sides of this figure only to find the perimeter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, children, do this worksheet, the worksheet which I have sent you on Friday. If your worksheet is wrong, please send it to me again.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
like I was saying, like, can I?
Yes.
Mm,
Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
Ma'am, I am presenting that I have a doubt from that
Yeah,
worksheet.
please present. Yeah, Jahan, I have checked and I have sent you back also after checking.
Ma'am, like in this one part,
Yeah.
so there is a the if we count like the squares, so if we
You are not required to count the squares which you are showing me, no?
oh, so means we have to see like this this
This
border.
side. These borders, yes. Very good.
Okay, so if that border every square is of 1 centimeter, so
Yes.
this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter.
This way you can count all. Can you write here so that everyone can understand and write and show them?
What, ma'am?
You are writing, no? This is 1 centimeter. Will you able to write in your worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please do it?
1 second. Like which centimeter it is?
Yeah. Do the next one, down one, fourth one, and explain
This one?
everyone. Yeah.
1 second, ma'am.
Circle the diagram so that show them that I am explaining this. Children, Riddhi is explaining the next diagram. She had circled that she is explaining this diagram. No, Riddhi, wait. Riddhi, do one thing. If you are able to write here, can you please write here on each side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and show them?
Yes, ma'am. It is 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. It is 1 second. Like I am writing only one.
Yeah, write one only. It's okay.
To best nahi
Dhyan, please mute your mic. Children, see, she is covering all the outside length and she will find the perimeter of the next figure. Mute your mics, please. Riddhi, mute your mic. There is no need to turn on your mic. She is covering all the outside length of this figure.
So
Riddhi, one is missing. Riddhi, one is missing. At the last, you
okay,
have
this one.
forgot. Yeah, you forgot 2 points. Yes, this one was missing. Now count
1, 2,
all.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And the answer is 21.
Let her count.
1 second, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Ma'am, it is 21. 20.
It
Only
is
20.
20. Yes, it is 20. Good. 20 centimeter. Are you all clear now how to count the outside borders of these kind of figures?
Yes, ma'am. Now may I please do the fifth one?
No, I will give you time. First, let me explain the next topic and then I'll give you time at the last. Children, you also do like this. Try to present your screen and present me the way the work you are doing, right? So our next today's topic is, does changing in shape also make a difference in the length of their boundaries? Page number 155. Everyone open this page. Page 155. So here is one square is given in your books. Each square side is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay. So now it is written here. Next diagram is drawn here. On the other side, if I remove a 1 centimeter square from here, there is one centimeter square. So if I remove this is the separate part. Okay, if I remove this from this, if base figure is this, from the base figure, if I remove the 1 centimeter square, from all the side it is 1 centimeter. So is there any difference in the boundaries of the next figure? Yes or no? First of all, yes or no? इसका पेरीमीटर में और इसके पेरीमीटर में डिफरेंस आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? I'm asking
it will
find the perimeter of this. Yes. Or you find the perimeter of this. Will be there any difference if you remove this 1
Ma'am,
centimeter
it is
box?
12 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am. It will be there will be difference.
There will be difference. Right now, what is the perimeter of this figure?
Ma'am, 12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. Now, what will be the perimeter of this figure? From this figure, 1 square box is removed from worth 1 centimeter. एक square box. आप ये देख लो कि इसमें आपने लेंथ में भी 3 बनाए थे एंड ब्रेथ में भी 3 बनाए थे 1 सेंटीमीटर के. So when you remove this, अगर आप ये बॉक्स निकाल देते हो, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा आपके इस फिगर में?
Ma'am, it would be of 10 centimeter.
विहान, will you able to draw this and present this? कर सकते हो?
Ma'am, means
The way Riddhi has shown me, will you able to draw in your plain word page, and will you able to do it? Can anyone try this to show to the children?
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, Prisha.
Yes, Prisha. Prisha will try. Prisha, try. And
Ma'am,
tell us. Now tell us the different length here, different length here. Now find the perimeter because I removed 1 square from this figure. This was
I have to
your
present or see
Yeah.
the board.
You can present it from my board also. Now I am going to draw the figure same as, but I will remove 1 square from this.
Ma'am, see, now I know how to present.
Just a minute. This was before 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter.
Ma'am, can I present?
This is also 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. But if I remove this square, what will be this length now and what will be the perimeter now?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
if you removed 1 square and 1 square length is 1 centimeter, so we have to count it. So this 1, 2, 3.
You are
4,
counting inside.
5.
Please start counting from here.
Here, no.
Can I
1. This is 2. This is 3.
Please move your mic.
This is 4.
Your mic. This
This
is
is 4 centimeter.
3.
2.
Yes. Vedi, stop presenting, please. Vedi. Stop presenting.
Then
Okay,
this
children.
is
All of you put your first. Vedi, Riddhi, Prisha, all of you want to talk together. Switch off your mics. How difficult is it to understand? She's been telling you 100 times that don't switch on your mics, don't switch on your mics. Only the person who's
They don't
talking.
understand.
No, they fail to understand English only. They don't learn anything in the English class. It's become an alien language for them.
Children, please now. Prisha, start now. Present your screen and present what you are explaining them. See, if we remove 1 square, there will definitely, sometimes there is a difference in finding the perimeter. Sometimes the perimeter comes same also. So don't take it as always that perimeter will be different. Perimeter can be same also, but you need to count it and find the perimeter. Yes, Prisha, this was 1 centimeter.
This is 2 centimeters. Then down is 3 centimeters. Then we have to count it again. That is 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Then this is 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and this is 9 centimeters, and 10 centimeters, and this is 11 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. So the box is of 12 centimeters.
So now I have removed one box also, one square box of 1 centimeter. So even that the perimeter is same.
Yes, ma'am. Because we counted these two lines. Instead, we have to count these 2 lines in the full
Yes,
square.
yes.
Ma'am,
Have
after
you
Prisha,
understood
can
now?
I present on your board?
No, no. Stop presenting now. Now listen to me. I am going to show you one video. Just a minute, children. Listen this video carefully. I am going to mute myself. Then you will able to listen it properly.
Part 2. In this video, we will learn, does changing shapes also make a difference in the length of their boundaries? Look, I made a square on this paper. Its boundary is 12 centimeter. Yes, that is easy to find. Yes, but I want to find out, if I change the shape of this figure, will the length also change or not? If the figure changes, the length of the figure will surely change. Okay, shall we change the shape? Yes. Look, I will remove this one square and change its shape. Now let's measure this figure. Write down the length of all the sides. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. If you add all these, the answer will be 12 centimeters. We changed the shape of the figure, yet the size of the boundary did not change. I think we should change the shape differently, Reyansh. Then the size of the boundary will also change. This time you try to change the shape. Okay, see, I will remove this square from the figure and change its shape. I think that the length of the boundary of this shape will still be 12 centimeters. Let's measure and check. Okay, let's write the length of all the edges. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If we add them, the answer will be 14 centimeters. That means changing the shape of figure changes the size of its boundary. No. When you change the shape, the length of the boundary did not change. But when I changed the shape, the length of the boundary changed. This means changing the shape may change the length of its boundary or may not change the length of its boundary. Did you get it? Today we learned that the length of the boundary may change when the shape is changed, and that it is not necessary that the length of the boundary changes if the shape is changed. Therefore, it is important to measure the length of the boundary when the shape is changed. In this
So-
video,
So
we
now
will
you
learn
understood?
thus changing shapes also.
So now you children understood that when we
Yes, ma'am.
change change the
ma'am.
shape, it is not necessary that the boundary also will
Ma'am,
change.
I know
Yes.
ma'am, I know why that happened.
Yes.
Ma'am, because when he changed the corner block, there was just two lines were made, and there are also like if there's a regular square,
Hmm.
there are two lines for each corner, right?
Hmm. Yes.
So when he made the left or the corner square disappear, there was still two lines left.
Two lines are there, so we can count it as the border,
As-
right?
Yeah, important. But when you did it with the middle,
Hmm.
there was like there was one corner, but when you did it with the middle, so
Hmm.
there were three corners made up. So it would
Yes.
change. It would
Change. Now I will present you the activity. That activity you try at home also. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Make squares like this in the shape of a square.
Ma'am, you can see.
Lakshya, please present on my presenting screen.
I already see present. It is present, but I can. It is black screen.
Please try to tell your someone at home to help you out. Catherine ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Before, ma'am, beside my mom is there. Talk
Yes,
with
ma'am,
her.
it is.
Ma'am, please help him out to see my present screen.
There you're just pin, ma'am, no?
No, Lakshya is speaking, I think.
Now I can
Akshay,
see. Now I
now
can
you
see.
can see. Okay.
Okay. See, this is the activity which you can try, make squares, and then you can fold this square. Let's see. If I take this or I cut any side of one square, and now check the perimeter. After cutting it, now see, we need to check the perimeter of the different shape now, which we have already done. This activity you can also try at home. Now counting the boundaries, you find the perimeter and write. You can cut from the middle also and try this. What will be the perimeter? This way you can try different shapes. It is 14 centimeter now, as we have already shared the video and we have learned on the board also this activity. You can count with different number of squares. Find the perimeter first with the full. If we count, it is 20 centimeter. Now when we cut the shape into different ways, see it carefully. It is given in your textbook also. You try this at home. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try this, cut it into different ways. Whichever square you want to miss it, you want to cut it. You can make different shapes. The worksheet which I have sent you, you can make the shapes in that way also and find the perimeter. See, this is the same shape as given in on your book. In your book also, page number 55. Now, after cutting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
squares, now you can find what is the perimeter of this shape, because earlier when we have find out, when we add, because it was given 5 centimeter from all the four sides, it is 5, so it is 20. Now, when you count the perimeter of this, maybe it will different or maybe it will same. Can you check in your books and start counting the perimeter of that figure which is given in your textbook, page number 155, and tell me the perimeter. Tell me the perimeter of this figure.
42.
Earlier it is 20, right? When we add all the four sides of a square. Next, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Mine it is 36. Have you counted, children? Please count it again. Count it again. Count it again. So this way, children, you try this activity at home also, right? Changing the shape.
Ma'am?
Yes. Ayush.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, which one of them?
Any.
Which one of
You can make your shape also. You can make any shape. See, for example, you
ma'am,
can.
so, ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
saying, which of the shapes you have to count the perimeter of?
See, you can make any shape as an activity. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm saying that
Okay, I have found the perimeter of the figure which is given in your textbook on
Ma'am,
page
which is
number
the figure?
155.
155.
Yes.
But there are many
Question
figures.
number 2. Question number 2.
Question number 2. Okay.
There is a
Ma'am,
figure
which one?
given.
The 5 centimeter perimeter one?
Yeah.
Or
If it is a complete square, find the perimeter. And when you cut the squares, please stop now. Look here. It was given 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter from all the 4 sides. So in the length also, when you take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the breadth also you take 5. Who is this?
Ma'am, Rahul.
1, 2, 3, 4, and
Ma'am, it is 35. I think it is 37 centimeters.
this way you make the squares and then you can cut any square and find the perimeter. If I miss this square and find the perimeter, or I miss this square and find the perimeter, or I will cut this square, find the perimeter, or I can cut this square. If I change the shapes, is there any change in the perimeters? Find it this way. Okay. Okay, I will cut this and I make a new shape. Can you all able to see it on my board? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This way you can create your own shapes by cutting the number of the squares and find the perimeter. Will you able to do this activity at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Silent.
Bye, ma'am.